Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the AUTOGEN brand, their large viewing screen. It's 4.05 by 3.54. This is auto darkening welding helmet. It has true color lenses on here. There is a solar panel right there. I don't think the camera's going to be able to pick that up, but that solar panel is what gets triggered when it sees a arc from your welding equipment, and that's what automatically shuts down the lens to go to a shade level to protect your eyes. These are really amazing products and they work really well. So this has what's called a 4-arc sensor, that array right there, and there's a shade knob control on here. You can use this for TIG, MIG, arc welding, grinder, eye protection. This company provides a full 2-year warranty and 24-hour customer service. And this gets really good ratings on Amazon, so customers really like this. This has really good optical clarity, 1 1.5 they call it, improves visibility, reduce eye strain. Those arc sensors switch from light to dark in 1/1,000,000th of a second. It resists 99% of harmful rays and prevents damage to your eyes from sparks and the actual intense light when you're welding. This complies with ANSI 787.1 and CSA 794.3. So you know you're getting a product that is certified and works. Now it also comes with an extra front plate on here that covers this up. It goes on the sides so that if you damage the one that's on there, you're all set. Now most of the time what I was using, it's old-fashioned technology. You have to put this in front of your face and you have to ignite the spark without actually looking at the workpiece. Or you have this type right here, which I've used, where you got to open it up and drop it down once the spark happens. And these are both primitive and old-fashioned. So out these go, and in comes the new welding helmet from AUTOGEN. So let's take a look at a couple features over here. On the side right here, you can see those cool side windows. Those don't auto darken, those are just tinted windows so that you get a side view on there. You notice how large this is, so it really encompasses your whole face and neck and chin. Let's take a look at the inside right here. This has an extremely comfortable strap. I was impressed with it. You see it has a soft rubberized material on there and a padding along the bottom right there, and that padding really makes a big difference in the comfort of this. Now if you look on the side right here, there is a knob, and that knob allows you to turn the unit on. So there is an off position called grind, and that grind position means nothing's turned on. It's just using it as a safety glasses basically. Then when you click this, you have an adjustment from the lighter to the darker in the range that you selected. Now right inside here, there's a really cool control panel. You can see right here. And that control panel has sensitivity and timing adjustments. I keep them right in the middle, and a test position we're going to show. And then it has a switch right there where you have the 2 ranges of the shades that are on here. And one is 5 through 8, and the other one is 9 through 13. So this is where you're going to be looking into when you're welding, and you're going to be seeing your actual work area and not worry about protecting your eyes, because once you hit that spark, get it going, you're going to be able to have protection going on immediately. So I'm going to demonstrate that by taking a bright light right here, and I'm going to be putting it right in this window right there, and I'm going to show you how this works. So I have some of the studio lights off so I can demonstrate this. I've got that LED light inside there. I'm going to hit the test button right there, and now I can vary how much light is coming through the lens by using that top knob on there. So that's what that knob's doing, real-time adjustment of the amount of shading that you're going to get. So this is what I'm going to be welding. I'm going to be welding this plate, the steel plate, onto this other plate right here, and should be able to do this much more easily using the AUTOGEN welding auto darkening helmet. So after testing, what do I think about the AUTOGEN brand? Their large viewing screen, 4.05 by 3.5 for auto darkening welding helmet with true color. Excellent product. As I demonstrated, I was able to weld perfectly with this. Very comfortable. And this control panel right here is very functional. And this whole adjustment on here works really well. I'm impressed with it. It's going to allow you to weld safely and not damage your eye, and be in total comfort while you're doing your welding. So this is an excellent product. I'm impressed. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you alert to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helps you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.